struck by the plow. There's a pile by the barn, by the sweat of his brow. The land has his heart and he rarely complains, and it holds his knees when he prays for rain. He's a dusty old Carhartt and a light in the barn. He'll work the late hours and he's up before dawn. Every man has a story, and the story goes on, from a granddad's eyes to a newborn son. Why, farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be, it's who I've always been. It's more than just a living, it's my way of life, and it grows like seed inside my heart. That's why I farm. We always pulled through when we thought we would break. In the flood 93, in the drought 88. The Lord has his timing, 'cause only he knows that when next year comes, the crops will grow. Our farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be, it's who I've always been. It's more than just a living, it's my way of life, and it grows like seed inside my heart. That's why I
Though the world may shake around me, still I'm stable. As long as I'm able, I'll work this land. 'Cause when heaven comes this close to work, you hold it. 'Cause life is but a moment in a bigger plan.
Why I farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be, it's who I've always been. It's more than just a living, it's my way of life, and it grows like seed inside my heart, living on long after I depart. That's why I farm. That's why I farm.
Some people say he's a wealthy man, but he built his house with his own two hands on a piece of land that's as far as you can see. They call him lucky, but they don't know he's up and running when the rooster crows, and he's still in the field with his supper cold. But if you ask me, it's a hard, hard way to make your way in a world that don't care what you pay, what you earn, or what you take, or how much you're not giving. what you take or how much you're not giving. Life's a tough old road to hoe. Trust in God with the seeds you sow, and always know it's a hard, hard way to make an easy living. Make an easy living. Make an easy living.
From the fuel that fills your truck to the coffee in your cup, don't thank the corner store or that early morning rush. Thank a farmer. Yeah, think back to that hayfield filled with girls and four wheels, sneaking off with her for that first time. You can thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Oh, I think it's time we all thank a farmer. From the blacktop roads you ran that used to be his land, to big cities and small towns that he built with his two hands, you can thank a farmer. And for this shirt on my back and these boots on my feet, and them tank top wearing country girls and them old skin tight blue jeans, I thank a farmer. Yeah, I thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Yeah, I think it's time we all thank the farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. I think it's time we all thank a farmer. Thank a farmer. A lot of folks like me still care about the FFA and county fairs and the folks who really make this world go round. I'd like to thank a farmer.
Daddy left his hands in dirt, and often tired and sometimes hurt. He could make life grow from things inert. That's a farmer's life. He taught me to work beneath the cloudless skies, to face my fears in the darkest nights. He taught me to talk to Jesus Christ, say a farmer's prayer. Jesus walked these fields with me, give me strength and the faith I need. Bless this farm, my family, and this farmer's life. The smell of life rides a prairie breeze. Generations watching over me. The next in line is bouncing on my knee, learning a farmer's prayer. Jesus walked these fields with me, give me strength, the faith I need. Bless this farm, my family, and this farmer's life. When I die, place beneath the wind, where the gentle rains can wash away my sins, but leave me to lie in this old shirt I'm in. Say a farmer's prayer. And Jesus walked these fields with me, give me strength, the faith I need. Bless this farm and my family, and this farmer's life. Bless this farm and my family, and this farmer's life. That's this farmer's prayer. Sometimes I cuss the wind as I struggle to find shelter in a wasted day. I feel like giving in when a year of work is ruined in an hour ahead. You say it's my burden, though I choose to carry around, but you just can't separate a soul that's weaved into the ground. You keep telling me to sell it, 'cause it ain't worth it. But can you tell me how I'll live then with my name? If my grandpa's bones ain't got no home, he's left out in the rain. Can you tell me how to go against the grain? Reach down and grab the earth. Can you feel the life you're holding clenched in your hand? To you it may be dirt, but to me I find a comfort standing on this land. It's more than what defines me, it's really who I am. And there's 100 years of sweat and tears running through this man. You keep telling me to sell it, 'cause it ain't worth it. But can you tell me how I'll live then with my name? If my grandpa's bones ain't got no home, he's left out in the rain. Can you tell me how to go against the grain? Can you tell me how to go against the grain? Against the grain.